You got a smile that makes the sun rise.
Just while the kettle's boiling, I've got an ordnance survey map, okay, and it's Wales, all of Wales actually, but I've just been in here to try and have a little look. Where we are staying is a place called Pwllheli. If you are Welsh, I do try with my accent, forgive me if it's not ideal. So this is the top of Wales, this is North Wales. Snowdonia National Park here, which is beautiful. We normally stay in a place called Ruthin, which is sort of here somewhere. I made a mistake. So up here you've got Prestatyn and Rhyl, which you may have heard of. But I thought this is Blaenau Ffestiniog, where you get a steam railway, which is really cute. I can't really actually see without my glasses, but yeah. So we're staying in Pwllheli, which is over here. There's a beautiful beach here. I'm really looking forward to seeing that. But today we're going straight to about here somewhere, to Conwy Falls, which is gorgeous. And up here's the Isle of Anglesey. Now all of this is it. There's a couple of suspension bridges here. I didn't realise that this was such a big island, so that's crazy. But yeah, so we're going to be all kind of in this sort of area. Snowdon and Betws-y-Coed would probably visit, which is again around, I'm doing that like it's a small area, this is a huge area, but you can see from the green and that on the map, and all of these are mountains, and yeah, just absolutely lovely. But through this tip there's a lot of beautiful, all around here, lovely lighthouses and pretty things to see. So we're going to take the map because I thought it would be fun. We're going to come in from so you've got the border down here of Wales. We're going to come in past Birmingham, across probably the is it the A5, M5? If you know that, leave me in the comments. But yeah, A5, there we go, across here, and straight here somewhere to, I can't say, I need my glasses on. But yeah, looks like it's going to be a lovely day. Hopefully it will, because we are literally sleeping in a tent. So let's take this with us. So we're going to make in our little cups drink to take now, which Jasmine's going to have one of these. These are the best mint teas, I'm not kidding you, from Tesco's. Of course she has the pink cup and I have the green one. So I'm making the most of being able to use the kettle. Because yeah, literally, we are taking gas actually to make a cuppa. But yeah, so we take these with us. The sun's up, so it is time to go. Okay, so this is the weather that we've got. It is the English summer apparently, but Jasmine's just said to me, and it's lovely to be vlogging with you again, Jazz.
Yeah, it's nice to be vlogging with you.
She said it's not going to be raining in Wales. Now, whoever says that?
Me.
It'll be all right. It'll be all right. So we've just come through the Dartford Tunnel, and well, it is 17 degrees, so it's still quite nice.
That's all right. We've got our waterproofs, haven't we, and our wellies.
We have, yeah, we have.
Well, we're having a little stop, and really interestingly, there's a Leon right there, and we quite like a Leon, don't we?
We do.
Well, I do, because they do some really nice gluten-free, that lemon crunch thing.
Oh, that was so nice.
Yeah, I don't really feel like I want anything to eat right now, but anyway.
Save it for later.
Yeah, so yeah. Okay, let's go. I thought that looked quite interesting. Halloumi egg. What's the green stuff? That looks like kale or something. It's Jasmine's new best friend.
What did you say?
Look at your new best friend.
Oh yeah.
McDonald's as well busy. You can have a Mackey's breakfast. I know you can't, you're gluten free right now. Yeah. So Jazz is choosing a cold drink.
I might do a smoothie.
Nice. Why
Don't know
not?
which one though.
What's in the clean green shake? Do we know?
Avocado, lime, ginger, pineapple, mango, kale, apple and spirulina. That sounds quite nice. Dragon fruit, mango and lime.
I'd say that's more you.
Oh, I'm tempted by the green one though, because I reckon it would be quite sweet still.
Okay. So this is where we currently are. Can you show? Yes, please. Yes, please. Can you show where the big series that we're going to? Sit up there. Yeah, lovely. Right, I'm going to show you what this lemon crunch is. This is not an advert for Leon, but I'm a bit of a fan. They do such lovely healthy stuff, and I think, you know. Anyway, lemon crunch. It's 300 calories. It's actually a lot bigger than it looks, look, so it's quite big. Jazz and I are going to share that. There is a lot of sugar on top.
Oh, are we? All right then.
Yeah, we're going to share that. Did you not know? No. But it's crunchy and it's lemony and it's got ginger in it as well. So we shall enjoy that. Very nice. I'd recommend you try one. Jasmine is driving now, and I just thought I'd show you the difference between how industrial this all is. I think we're coming near Birmingham way now, which is you've probably heard of Birmingham even if you're not from around here. And pretty soon we're going to be heading to, oh, that looks all flashing on there. We're going to be heading to the countryside, and it's going to look very different to this, which is kind of the point really, just to see some nature. Beautiful.
We stopped at this roundabout and we was absolutely thrilled to see so many Harley Davidsons go past. We think it was a bit of a sign, being that they were Harleys.
I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you here with me. I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
I felt a little frustrated that Jasmine had to take over most of the driving here because I was getting quite anxious. My anxiety was quite bad. Still didn't manage to get a grip of it, but it was lovely to be able to look out the window and see so much beautiful countryside. I was really grateful for that.
So as you can see, we are in Wales. It looks so beautiful behind me there. Jasmine's doing a sterling job of driving. Thank you very much. So I just want to tell you a quick little story. Now you might remember, and I'm going to overlay some footage here. Oh, hang on, let's just show you this. How gorgeous is that? Many years ago now, back probably 10 years ago, something like that. No, not as many years as 10. Seven-ish years. We was looking at moving to Wales, and we came and we spent some time looking at all these gorgeous houses that we saw, and a bit of a story really. And I do think sometimes things are meant to be, but we ended up putting in a bid on a house, and I say weeks, it was going to be like a big family thing, but we were what we call gazumped. So somebody put in a higher offer, we put in another higher offer, and they put in a higher offer, and we ended up losing it, which it was a shame at the time, and I was really upset because I just feel as though sometimes this place is just, I don't know, it's just like I just want to escape there. It's gorgeous. And now I'm thinking it was definitely meant to be, looking at how life is now and the tricky things that we have and stuff like that. Oh, Afon Conway, beautiful, it's a river. Oh, did you see that behind me? And yeah, so I definitely think it was meant to be, but being able to come here for this, like this, is just amazing. And I said to Jasmine, like, we've got a tank of petrol that we're going to need. We've not even used half yet. Tank of petrol, and I'm going to list on the end of this series exactly how much it costs us to stay in Wales for these few days, because it's honestly, it's on such a bargain. Yeah, so I said let's just throw some things in the car, which we've done, find somewhere to pitch up, which we've done, and just come and enjoy it. So we are almost at our first destination, so I'll quickly show you that, and then the next video is going to show you lots of different things that we're doing, which is going to be so exciting. We're going to go to Anglesey Island, which I've never been to before, and I do consider that I know especially North Wales quite well. So yeah, so Anglesey Island, I think we're probably going to do that tomorrow. Let's see if we can hit some Snowdon area somewhere, and that might even be today, possibly. We're going straight to Conwy Falls, which is gorgeous. This is the place, very bittersweet because we're going to miss our little Harley, but it's raining as well. Good job we brought the wellies.
Yeah.
Isn't it? How pretty is it? We've seen loads of sheep and all sorts of things. So yeah, so when we rock up to our campsite later, there's going to be sheep in the field apparently. So yeah, we got a river running right.
There's also dogs allowed on the campsite, which confuses me.
I know, yeah, but it's we don't really have to. Oh, that's pretty down there. Lovely. Well, you can't see yet, but trust me, there's going to be plenty of little running streams and things you're going to see in this vlog series. I can't beat a bit of a Wales vlog series, to be honest. I think it's gorgeous. Yeah, I think we must be near Betws-y-Coed now, Jasmine, somewhere. Must be down here.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style. The way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing.
So we arrived. I'd love to get my Welsh accent on, but Jasmine turns into Liverpudlian.
Yeah, I can't do it very well.
So funny. So bittersweet. Oh, sorry, you're wet. Show your hands. We're just in the loos, and I was like, need to put a little hole in. But we're gonna go get a bit of lunch. Oh, that's creepy. And then we're gonna go to the waterfalls. So come back for that in the next video. I would love to see you there. Well, I woke up in Wales. Little one was driving. She said, "Mum, we're in Wales." I was like, "Oh my God, that's amazing." So here we are.